Hello everybody, welcome to HardReset Pro. Today I'm going to show you how to edit photos in stock gallery on OPPO A6 Pro. So choose a photo you want to edit and click on edit right here. And here you can turn on the AI editor, so basically AI Recompose, AI Eraser, AI Perfect Shot, Enhance Clarity. So let's check it. Click on done. You can unblur it and remove reflections. So next you have a crop. So you can crop your image, for example like this. You can adjust your exposure, brilliance, highlights, shadows, contrast, brightness, black point, saturation, vibrance, color temperature, tone, sharpness, definition, noise reduction and vignette. Next you can apply a filter. So for example something like this. You can mark up your photo. So something like this. You can add a text, watermark, pixelate. You can retouch and add stickers. So basically that's how you edit photos in stock gallery on OPPO A6 Pro. So thank you for watching and subscribe for more.